Hi guys, welcome ulit sa tutorial natin. Meron ulit tayong problem dito na galing sa Electrical Technology by Teraha. A cube of a material of side 1 centimeter has a resistance of 0.001 ohm between its opposite faces. If the same volume of the material has a length of 8 centimeter and a uniform cross-section, what will be the resistance of this length? So dito, na-introduce na natin last time yung formula or yung pinakasikat na formula for resistance. And ngayon, i-introduce natin naman yung dalawa pa na formula for finding the resistance given the volume. So let's say, meron tayong conductor dito. And ito yung cross-section niya. Ito yung cross-section niya. And then, ito yung cross-section natin. And then, meron daw tayong length na ito, yung haba ng conductor. To find the volume, we have the formula volume is equals to the area times the length. And recall natin na yung nauna nating formula, which is the resistance is equals to the resistivity times the length over the area. And by derivation, pwede natin makuha yung isa pang formula, which is resistivity times length squared all over volume. Or pwede ring resistivity times the volume all over area squared. And ngayon, sabi sa problem, meron daw tayong cube. Meron daw tayong cube na may side na 1 centimeter, may length 1 centimeter, may width na 1 centimeter, and may height na 1 centimeter. Tapos, may resistance daw siya na 0.001 ohm between its opposite faces. So, sabihin na lang natin, si R1 daw, R1 is equals to 0.001 ohms between its faces. So, ito daw yun. May resistance dito, 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 tapos dito. Ngayon, mapapansin natin, yung length din natin dito, syempre kasi nga, since yung side niya is pare-parehas na 1 centimeter, yung length natin dito ay 1 centimeter din. Next, if the same volume of the material has a length, so yung condition natin dito, meron daw tayong same volume. And then, if the same volume of the material So parehas na material yung ginamit. So yung resistivity nito ngayon ay same din. Has a length of 8 cm and a uniform cross-section. So parang nasabi sa problem na itong isang cube is magpa-pile up or magbubuo ng 8 na cubes. Parang ganito. Na may uniform cross-section. So ito, 1 cm pa rin daw ito. 1 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm. Ito, ito, ito. Kaya yung length na nito ay naging 8 cm. Centimeter. Parehas pa rin na 1 cm yung width. Then yung height niya is 1 cm. Ang tinatanong, ano na daw ngayon si R2? Pero kung mapapansin nyo, yung length natin, yung pangalawang length natin ay 8 cm na. So given tayo ng length, tapos same yung volume. And then ang mainam na gagamitin nating formula dito ay ito. Diba? Given tayo ng length pero same volume. So itong pangalawang formula yung gagamitin natin. And kung mapapansin natin pala, pwede lang tayong gumamit ng ratio and proportion. Kaya nang sabi ko last time, kung ano yung hinahanap, siya dapat yung sa numerator. Yes, R2 natin. Si R2 over R1 equals to resistivity to L squared over the volume. L2 pala ito. Tapos V2. Then, ito naman si resistivity 1. Tapos si L1 squared all over V1. Since si V1 ay same lang sa V2, pwede natin i-cancel out. And then, same material yung ginamit, kaya yung resistivity 1 tsaka si resistivity 2 ay same lang din. Kaya bali, ang naiwan na lang si R2 yan over R1 natin kanina 0.001 ohms equals to si L2 natin 8 cm. Bali ito magiging 8 times 10 raised to negative 2 kasi nga centimeter meter squared all over yung length natin kanina 1 centimeter which is 1 times 10 is to negative 2 meter squared. And by cross multiplication, si R2 na ngayon R2 na natin yan ay 0.001 multiply to 8 times 10 raised to negative 2 squared all over 1 times 10 raised to negative 2 squared. And our answer is 0.064 ohms. Okay. Check natin kung same tayo masagot. So yun, tama. 0.0064 ohms. So ayun, sana may natutunan kayo. And maraming salamat sa panonood.